Eversource, here we come. Wow, look at all these chests.
Yeah, and they're all labeled?
Creeper, zombie, sheep, pigman. Curious.
What does it mean?
Huh.
Eggs? The sign says sheep, not eggs.
Might as well throw it and give it a shot? A sheep?
Is that a monster? That is not so bad. It is fluffy.
The eggs all have creatures inside them.
And they're all different colors. They must be, color-coded what's in them.
So she can just spawn things whenever she wants to.
So the Eversource makes these spawn egg things.
Stay on your toes! We're close! Ah, I can't wait!
Let's take a look around.
Incredible!
The Eversource is a chicken?
What?
Yes, the spawn eggs. It's so simple!
Wait. That's the Eversource?
So the chicken lays the eggs, and the eggs make monsters, and the loot from the monsters made this place.
Well, throw it in the minecart and let's get out of here. We're still taking it, right?
The chicken that the entire city depends on? Are you sure that's a good idea?
What are you talking about? We need to bring it to the people. With it, we'll finally be free of the Founder.
But that clucking thing is what we came for.
Ivor, geez, Lucas is right. We can't just steal, kidnap.
Chicken nap?
We can't just chicken nap the Eversource. It's the only way these people survive.
What? I thought that was the whole point of this adventure.
Ah!
I knew it. I knew you were here to steal from me.
Ah! Pain!
Oh, she's too fast.
Just give me a second to catch my breath.
Well, hang on a second. Let's talk about this, okay?
I'm not sure there's anything to talk about.
It's just like I told you, Founder. They're here to steal the Eversource. Classic Order of the Stone.
You don't say.
What? No! Don't believe them!
You have the wrong idea.
Oh, Aiden, will you just shut up already?
You just expect me to believe a bunch of criminals? Aiden warned me that you were a pack of thieves, and here you are, prepared to make off with the one thing our city depends on to survive.
Boy, when you put it like that, I almost feel bad. Yep. Afraid I'm going to be taking the chicken. It's mine now.
What? This is outrageous. Aiden, don't do this.
Somebody order eggs.
I've got Aiden! Save the Founder!
Oh, you got me, Lucas?
Got you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Lucas!
I'll take it from here.
This is all your fault! Thanks to you, we get to see what really happens when you fall off the islands.
Hey, you can't pin this on me. This is your fault.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious. Trusting the blaze rods, hiding the Eversource? I didn't do any of that.
I can't decide whether I want our death to be painless for my sake or excruciating for yours.
Land!
Impossible. That's impossible. Jesse?
There!
Can we get to it in time?
It's gonna be close.
This is all your fault!
Hey, you can't pin this on me. This is your fault.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious. Trusting the blaze rods, hiding the Eversource? I didn't do any of that.
I can't decide whether I want our death to be painless for my sake or excruciating for yours.
Land!
Impossible. That's impossible. Jesse?
There!
Can we get to it in time?
It's gonna be close.
This is all your fault!
Hey, you can't pin this on me. This is your fault.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious. Trusting the blaze rods, hiding the Eversource? I didn't do any of that.
I can't decide whether I want our death to be painless for my sake or excruciating for yours.
Land!
Impossible. That's impossible. Jesse?
There!
Can we get to it in time?
It's gonna be close. Ha!
Jesse? Holy crap, you're down here too?
Lucas, you made it.
Oh, yeah, only slightly worse for wear. Gotta say, Aiden's tougher than I remember. Got me pretty good.
Lucas, I'm really sorry I didn't try to help you up there. I only had a few seconds. Everything was happening so fast.
No, don't worry about it. Aiden was, stronger than I was expecting. It was good of you to try and save the Founder. Speaking of whom, is she okay? She's just sort of staring.
Let me ask. Founder? Miss Founder?
I hope she's not in shock or something.
You, doing okay over there?
I can't believe it. This has been down here the whole time. I forbade anyone to look for land below us. It was too dangerous. A lost cause.
Well, land is gonna be a pretty big game changer for you guys. I mean, it's gonna change everything.
Yes.
Look at this place. Totally untouched biomes all around us.
Yes, it's all a little overwhelming. What do I do now?
Well, how about you start with a few deep breaths?
You can bring all your people down here. They won't have to petition for resources or any of that stuff anymore.
I suppose you're right.
Yes, we have to go back up and tell them.
Getting back up. My word, you're right. We need to do that. I hadn't even thought that far ahead yet.
Look out!
What's going on up there?
Oh, that's not a good sign.
Definitely a bad sign. Your city's probably in big trouble right now.
I can't believe Aiden could be so stupid.
I can't leave my subjects in whatever trouble they're in. Jesse, will you please help me get back to Sky City? Stop Aiden. Help me protect my people.
We did kind of start this mess.
Of course I'll help you. You're the founder.
Thank you, Jesse. And please, call me Issa.
Okay, getting back up. Getting back up. Let's see what we've got to work with. That'll work.
What is it?
Ah, I see where you're getting at. Nice.
Well, would someone care to explain it to me, please?
Get ready to build something huge. Maybe the biggest thing of your life.
What do you mean?
We're gonna build a tower of dirt all the way back up to Sky City. Grab as much dirt as you can carry. Okay. That should do it.
Jesse, what is that?
Once I get my flint and steel back from the blaze rods, it'll be my ticket out of here. Well, guys, you ready?
Yes, I think so.
I think I actually gotta sit this one out, Jesse. Aiden got me pretty good. I'm just not sure I'm up for towering all the way back up there. I'm really sorry. I probably wouldn't be able to keep up anyway.
Yeah, you don't look so good. You should rest up. Try and get some food.
That's what I was thinking. Thanks for understanding.
There you go, buddy.
Thank you for trying to help. It was very noble.
Hey, what's with the last goodbye tone? I'll see you guys when you get back. Oh, and give Aiden another punch for me.
Will do. Come on, we've got an epic climb ahead of us. We've got a city to save. You ready?
I believe so. And when I get up there, I'm going to tear those blaze rods limb from limb. Oh, and Jesse, I appreciate what you did up there. Trying to save me, I mean.
need to get in there, now. Go, 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 don't stop! Look out! Oh. Whoa, that was crazy. You okay?
What have they done?
Back, you monsters! Help me!
He needs our help.
What is going on here?
The city is under attack by monsters, ma'am. Everywhere. They seem to be coming from inside the palace itself.
Come on, we need to stop him.
I'm sorry, Jesse, but I have to save my people.
Take care of yourself out there, okay?
And to you as well.
Jesse, you're alive. Please, can you help us?
Hang tight, Milo.
You are very quick on your feet. But with all seriousness, how are you alive? I saw you go over the edge.
Hey, quick version. You know how you all thought there was nothing but void below you?
Yes?
Yeah, that was wrong. There's land.
You speak truthfully, my friend? No. Well, I can't wait to hear all about it later.
We gotta get to the palace.
Thank you, my friend. We'll see you on the other side.
It's like that, huh? Blaze rods!
Hey!
Jesse! You're alive?
Aiden has taken over the palace. He's holed up in the throne room, throwing those spawn eggs everywhere. No one can get inside!
We need to stop him.
I know! Jesse, take one of these! They're all locally sourced and handcrafted. I use only the best ingredients.
Got any potions of invisibility?
Here!
Can't stop what you can't see.
Back down and get out of my face, Reggie! You're delusional, Aiden! The people of Sky City will never bow to you! You killed the founder! Yeah? Well, you're gonna be next if you don't shut up! Now you...
Hey, jerkwad, leave him alone.
I saw you fall! You went down! You're alive! You're alive! Is the founder with you? What the...
Reginald!
Not one more step! I killed you once, I can do it again!
Just you and me, Aiden. Just you and me now.
Just die already! Should've left while you had the chance! This was supposed to be my world, and you ruined it!
Listen to yourself. That's insane.
Why couldn't you have left well enough alone?
Get back here.
can't stand to see someone else in the spotlight, can you? You just can't let anyone else win. It just drives you crazy to see someone else succeed, doesn't it?
Aiden, this isn't about who wins and who loses. It's about what's right.
And that is why you're gonna lose! Wait! Hang on! I surrender! I surrender! We can talk about this, right? Here! You want your flint and steel back, huh? Take it! It's yours! Just, please, don't hurt me.
You did it! Jesse, we need to get out of here! What do you want to do with him?
Please! This place is getting worse by the minute! You can't just leave me here! Take me with you!
After everything you've done, I'm not sure you deserve that kind of mercy.
No! Come on! You can't just leave me behind! If you leave me here, I'll die!
Leave him. He made his bed, he can lie in it.
What? No! You can't just... How dare you! Stop ignoring me! No!
Jesse!
Where's that punk Aiden? We heard the fighting. We fought. He fell down one of these waterfalls.
You retrieved the Eversource.
Yes, ma'am. Everyone, stay together! Jesse, there you are!
Jesse, the situation is getting out of hand. We simply can't stop all the monsters and protect my people. The longer we stay here, the more danger my people will be in.
I guess we could jump for it. The waterfalls. The waterfalls can take us to safety.
What? Are you crazy? The waterfalls will just take us into the void!
We'll die if we fall down there!
But there's nothing but monsters up here.
Everyone, please! Jesse is telling the truth.
Everyone just watch me and follow my lead, okay?
Jesse has done nothing but help us so far. I will show you just how much I believe in Jesse's word.
Jesse, I cannot thank you enough. You've saved us all.
So what do we do now? Everything's just so different and scary. What do? You go have fun. You guys were cooped up there so long, now you can go do whatever you want.
I wonder what happened to Aiden.
Hey, guards. Check out what washed up right next to me.
Freeze, criminals! You're not going anywhere!
Now, this is just speculation, but I'm guessing they have some regrets. I knew they wouldn't get away.
Yeah, I feel a little bad. They just got in over their heads.
Way over.
Attention! Attention!
Hello, everyone, please. This is your founder speaking. Now that we're all safe, we need to organize. Start planning our new community.
Are you listening to yourself? That's insane! We were prisoners long enough on that island in the sky. It is time for us to run free. Build whatever we please.
Wow, those two just cannot get along.
Jesse, I cannot allow my people to be influenced by this naive idealist.
Bah! I'm sure I do look like a naive idealist through the eyes of an oppressive dictator.
Hey, both of you, fighting isn't gonna solve anything.
It will if I win.
Oh, of course you'd think that way. No, you don't understand. It will be night soon, and that is when the monsters come out. If we don't prepare, we'll be in danger.
You're just making excuses to control our behavior, just like before. We must trust in ourselves, be able to learn from our mistakes. The people need to build!
What do we do?
Who are we supposed to listen to?
Of course the people can build, but we need a system, some rules. Rules aren't bad.
Guys, Milo is right. You need to take risks. If you don't, you'll just keep doing the same safe things over and over again, and you'll never grow, you'll never live.
But what if we die?
Okay, I won't lie to you. You could die, but doesn't that make it even more awesome?
No, wait, please. It's dangerous.
Well, my friend, this is truly the beginning of a new era. Your deeds will be remembered around here for a long, long time to come. Many years from now, we will still reminisce about the great things that Jesse did.
This is a second chance at making a civilization. Don't waste it, okay?
I give my solemn oath. Well, my friend, it looks like this is where I must bid you farewell. I have a lot of work ahead of me now, and I can't wait to start. Thank you again.
I'm gonna miss that crazy guy. I guess we should prepare for nightfall too. Without another portal, we're stuck here. Been a while since I've had to start from square one.
Ugh. Just when I thought my days of punching trees were behind me.
Oh, that's right. In the middle of all the fighting and everything, I almost forgot. When I was on the ground with the Founder before I totally found the portal.
And you didn't say anything?
Yeah, I'm actually gonna have to agree with Ivor on this one.
Did I not mention it either? Because I could have sworn I said something.
No, you didn't.
I guess the moment just never presented itself. Come on. Oh, hi.
Ah, there you are. So sorry about her.
That's okay. Looks like she's having fun running around.
Yes, I think she took it pretty well when I told her she didn't need to be the Eversource anymore. What are we gonna do with you now, huh? What are you going to do now? Besides, continue to be adorable, of course. But that was a given.
You're not gonna eat her, are you?
Don't be morbid, of course not. After so long being the Founder and the Eversource, now we can just be Isa and her best friend, Benedict.
Ah, that's a boy's name.
Huh, what a closed-minded attitude. Jesse, I would be honored if you would take this as a small token of our gratitude.
Thank you.
Come along, Benedict. We have a lot of adventures ahead of us.
Well, there goes the Eversource. Off to cluck and peck at seeds for the rest of its valuable life.
Hey, Jesse. You okay?
Jesse?
Yeah, I'm fine. Come on, let's head home. See? Just like I told you. One portal back home.
I just can't wait to put this whole world behind us.
Oh, is someone being grumpy?
No! A little. I was just hoping for a real treasure is all. Livestock's no proper treasure. Although I wonder what would happen if you put that tiny crown on a different chicken.
Come on, guys. Let's go home. We don't Axel and Olivia here where we've been. You'll never believe it. That's not what I was expecting.